Hi, welcome back to Kenny's. Today we have 2008 Honda Accord V6. So from 2008 to 2012 is the same. This vehicle coming with the check engine light code po717. So speed sensor for transmission, input speed sensor for transmission. So I'm gonna show you guys how you do it yourself. Okay, here's the vehicle, the battery right here. And this is the dipstick. Right, this is the speed sensor, the blue wire. See the blue wire is right here. The blue harness. I'm gonna take this out, okay, and point it right here. It's blue harness with 3 wires. Okay, right here. Okay, you can do it either way. From here, 10mm, or take the battery out, okay, or if you have access to lift, put it up, take it out. So we're sharp, we have a lift, so I'm gonna show you step by step how to do it. You can do it yourself. Okay, the vehicle is on the air, on the lift, right here. So just keep going this way, right here. You get a screwdriver, just right here. See the blue one? Okay. This is, you see this 2 sensor, not this one. Not this one, it's this one right here. This is the sensor, 3 wire. You see that 10mm bolt? It's right here. You just move the 10mm, remove the harness, and just twist it, will come out. Okay, I'm gonna get the new one. Just keep watching. So I can squeeze my camera there. So this is more clear. This is the sensor. So right there. Just need to squeeze this. See that I squeeze it, the harness out. Okay, and take this 10mm. Okay, so this is 10mm. Just like show you how you do it. You can just lose it and take it out by hand. So it's very tight, but just you put your tools there. Just take it out by my hand. So it's 10mm out. Okay, so this is the sensor, okay, and I just put a vice grip here. After you remove the 10mm, just put some oil around the O-ring seal. So I just hold it with the vice grip, so it's moving. I'm gonna take it out. Look, there's O-ring there. So just spray some oil, so it's more clearly. There's the sensor right here, okay, with the blue wire. Take it out. So this is the old sensors out. Okay, it's the old sensor. See the harness, 3 wires. This is a new sensor, same thing. Okay, this is the new sensor. You see that the top blue sensor with the blue harness. Okay, so this is input sensor for the transmission speed sensor. I just like to share even the parts. So you disconnect this blue one. I'm gonna put it back in there. This little harness. Yes, just making room for yourself. It's so easy. I move this because I don't wanna damage that. So not this one, the top one, so the other blue. And this is the parts number. I'm going to share the part number with you guys. This is with a Honda. You can buy it. And input transmission speed sensor is next to each other. And I'm going to share the diagram, the picture from the Honda. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is helpful for any Honda owners. So basically from 2008 and up, it's the same transmission for most of the Honda. Please subscribe and leave comment down below if you need help. Thank you. So this the Honda is all set. And also I flushed the transmission fluid. It was really bad. And now all is very smooth. And also I would just like to share the transmission fluid, and I can show everybody how. So the transmission fluid, you cannot overfill transmission fluid. So you see, in the second one, this is great now and smooth. And also this vehicle is a high mileage, 193,000 miles, and we'll clear the coat. It's shifting great, there's no more check engine light. And also, I mean, I recommend sometime you replace the two sensors together, so input and output, but depend on the customer how much do you want to spend. If you have your own car, personal vehicle, when you have a PO code for transmission, just change the two sensors, input sensor and output next to each other. You do it once and you don't have to deal with it anymore. I'm just trying to make a really helpful video, which we get a lot of snow here, and this vehicle is V6, which bigger engine for that transmission. Yeah, this is 2008, but it's the same transmission for up to 2012. So already I moved the vehicle, I drove it for 5 minutes, then I checked the transmission fluid again. So that's the best way to check transmission fluid, because you want to drive it, you know, then after this check out the fluid. See the mileage? It's 192 on this car. I mean, it's great for 2008. Still running great, this Honda. Thank you for watching. This is, you can fix your own Honda on your driveway for any transmission code. If you have any other question, feel free, leave it down, comment down below, review, subscribe.